Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and great in lives. So in today's video, I am going to share with you all my top 5 picks of beginner friendly books. So without further ado, let's get started. Now before starting the main video, I would love to share with you my criteria or my preferences of a good beginner friendly book. Now what are the things that make a good beginner friendly book? First of all, the language should be easy enough to understand by people at large. The storyline should be engaging and entertaining as well, so that the book does not feel monotonous. The length of the book should not exceed 200 or maximum 250 pages. The ceiling is 250 pages and the price should be in our budget. So yeah, these are my criteria of a good beginner friendly book. So now let's get started with the book. Now, if you are a complete beginner and you do not have any experience of reading, then I will suggest you to read Paulo Coelho. And the book I am suggesting is The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho. I mean, of course, this is a highly recommended book by all, and it's a very popular book and a favorite of mine as well. And if you are a beginner now, you will love this book. You will love every page of this book. First of all, the language is very easy. The story is so engaging and motivating that eventually you will love it. And it's a good length of a beginner friendly book as well, and the price of the book is in our budget. So yeah, Paulo Coelho's The Alchemist is my first preference. My second pick is a classic, and the book is The Little Prince by Antoine de Saint-Exupéry. Now this is a translated one. The main book was in French, and this is one of the most popular and widely translated book in the history. And unlike any other classics, this book is actually very easy to read and easy to understand, because this book was actually originally written for children. But as the story has many layers and it is open to interpretation, so eventually this book became very popular across different age groups. The storyline of this book is very engaging and refreshing, and this book does actually have many illustrations like this, which make the book even more interesting to read. And the budget of the book is in our pocket. So yeah, The Little Prince by Antoine de Saint-Exupéry is my second pick. Now the next book which I am going to recommend is my all-time favorite novel, and the book is The Great Gatsby by F. Scott Fitzgerald. Now I love every aspect of this book, and this book has everything a book lover can ask for. The language is simple enough to understand, the storyline is amazing, and the character of J. Gatsby is everything. So, and the price of this book is under 100 rupees. So yeah, this is a great book for all, and of course for beginners. So yeah, I highly recommend this book, The Great Gatsby. Now, if you want to read English books, especially English literature, then you have to read Shakespeare, and there is no escape. But Shakespearean language is so tough to even pronounce that you might not understand a single line. But don't worry, I got you covered. I am recommending this book, The Tales from Shakespeare by Charles and Mary Lamb. Now this book is essentially the retelling of the famous, the epic Shakespearean comedies and tragedies in a more simplistic language. From this book, you can experience the great Shakespearean tragedies and comedies, and you can have the essence of Shakespeare minus the struggle of reading the complicated Shakespearean language. And also the price of this book is very minimum. So yeah, it's a must-have book for beginners. Now last but definitely not the least, I have to share a self-help non-fiction book to you, and the book is As a Man Thinketh by James Allen. Now this book is pure wisdom, and I love this book. Unlike any other self-help books, you can actually apply these teachings in your own life, and you can relate to this book. So yeah, As a Man Thinketh by James Allen is a must read, I think, and the price of the book is only 70 rupees. So that was the video, guys. I hope you like this video, and if you do, then please give a big thumbs up. It means a lot, and comment down below, and please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification so that you won't miss out any of my new videos. So yeah, I will catch you in my next one. Till then, tata.